Hello, my dear students and viewers. Greetings and welcome you all. You are watching Gilani Sir. Today we learn about divisibility rules from 8 to 16. So, be with me. So, you will learn by easily how can we find and check within 30 seconds the number is divisible by these number or not, like 8, 9, 10, 11. No, here 11 already described, so 12, 14 and like 15 and 16. So without any delay, let's start. So what is the rule for 8? Last 3 digit divisible by 8. If last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then that number will always be divisible by 8. For example, here we have taken 6 digit number, so we check the last 3 digit, it is divisible by 8. 8 7 is 56, remaining 2, 8 3 are 24. So this means this number always be divisible by 8. And how much divisible by? This is the number, it is divisible by 8. And for in the shorter view, if you can check also, if it will be the 2 digit also divisible by must be 4, because 8 is multiple of 4 into 2. So if the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then you can go further for 3 digit if 8. If 2 digit is not divisible by 4, then that number not going to be divisible by 8 also. So you can check by 2 digit the number is divisible by not. If it is easy to find, for example, if any number have like 14 in the last, that means this number will not be divisible by 4. So that means if any number you will add further, it will not be divisible by 8. So you can check easily by checking 2 digit, the number is not divisible by 8. If you find the number is, which number is not divisible by 8, so you can find easily by checking the last 2 digit also. If number is not divisible by 4, that means it is also not divisible by 8. So hope you understand these things. So let us check another number, which is 9. For 9, what is rule? Digit sum divisible by 9. If you find digit sum and it is not divisible by 9, that means the number is not divisible by 9. So here we find digit sum, what is? If you add 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 8 22, 20 plus 5 27. Digit sum is 27, 9 3 are 27, that means this number is divisible by 9. And what is this? 8165 here you will get. And 10 is very easy, last digit must be 0 to divisible by 10. So any digit have 0, that means it will be divisible by 10, otherwise it will not be divisible by 10. For 12, divisible by what? 4 and 3 both, because 4 3 are 12. So for the 12, condition is that it must be divisible by 4 and 3 both. So what for the 4 condition is, last 2 digit is divisible by 4. So we check 24 here, so is 4 6 are 24, it means it is divided by 4. Now for 3, what we to find? Digit sum. If digit sum is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. So we find 7 5 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 6 is 21. So 21 is divisible by 3, so that means it is divisible by 4 and 3, so it means it divisible by 12. And what number? You will get this 6277 when you divide. For 14, divisible by 7 and 2 both required. If the number is divisible by 7 and both, that means it also be divisible by 14. So we know that what is the rule for 7. We must check here the number first. 5 6 7, it is divisible by 7 or not. We check 7 8 is 56, 7 is 7, it means divisible by 7, and last digit is 0 2 4 6 8, it means this divisible by 2. So that means it is both they divide by 7 and divide by 2. That means it's divisible by 14. So what we get after divide this by 14? 405. So hope you understand. And for 15, it is also like same, divisible by 5 and 3 both. So for the 5, what we get? Either 0 or 5. And for 3, digit sum will be divisible by 3. So we will find, checking number is 5. So it must be divisible by 5. And for 3, we will find the digit sum. 4, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. So 18 is also divisible by 3. It means it is divisible by 3 and 4 both. That means it is divisible by 15. If you divide, you will get 315. The number for 16, last 4 digit divisible by 16. And for that also, for the shorter, 16 is 4 into 4. So that means like 8, its 2 digit also must be divisible by 4. So if it is not divisible by 4, that means it is not going to divisible by 16. And for the larger number, if 4 digit is divisible by 16, that means it is also divisible by 16. So you here 08, it is divisible by 4. That means it is maybe divisible by 4 is 16 or not. We will check then further for 4 digit. If it is not divisible by 4 for 2 digit, it means it is no need to check further. So if when 2 digit is divisible by 4, then we go further for check for 4 digit divisible by 16 or not. So here we check 16. 428 divisible by 16 by how much? Yes, 263. You will get 263 here, and so if we total, you will divide then with the 1428 by 16, you will get 888. So hope you will understand this thing clearly. So it will be, try to practice it, and if you not understand by one time, so watch again. I will post MCQ question in community section. Try to solve that question, and practice makes a man perfect. So don't forget to practice in a rough copy. And how much you remember after watching the video, will try to yourself first of all writing all the rules you remember or not. So like, share, subscribe and comment, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.